I've been working on that for about 3 years now with my father-in-law.
It's been 3 years since that video. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys saw, I was watching my very first video on YouTube and I'm thinking, who the hell is that guy? I didn't know anything back then, and I still am learning a lot right now, but a lot has changed since that video. So I got a lot of free time right now, and I'm ready to start making lots of videos for my YouTube channel and TikTok and Instagram and everything. But I figured it was most appropriate to maybe start with a shop tour, since a lot of you guys just see what's going on with the Prelude or with the Jeep. I'm just gonna give you guys an overall update of everything that's going on in the shop. And if you're looking to see updates on the rear-wheel drive Prelude, you'll have to be patient, sit tight, wait for the next video. Today, we're just doing a tour. All right, guys, so I figured I could show you guys the house, and the garage is behind there. We got a driveway that wraps around the back of the house and it connects here. Well, it doesn't connect here right now. I'll show you guys that in a second. Toyota Tundra, you guys know about that. The Jeep that started everything right here. And the most important thing right now is the garage. Now, when I said that this doesn't connect, I wasn't kidding. This used to all connect from there all the way back to here. And we had plans to pave it all and everything, but the plans fell through and it didn't work out right now. So winter's already here, so we're gonna be doing it after winter. Anyways, there is the garage. I just put in this garage door not long ago. It was just the wall. We cut it open, and we just got that 12 by 7 in. And I got 2 man doors here, one for my office and then one for the main garage. So let's go inside. If you've been following, you already know we got the 97 rear-wheel drive V8 Prelude in the making right here. And this has been its home for about a year now. And I'm going to start putting a lot of work into this thing, and we'll be getting some good progress on this very shortly. And right beside the Prelude, we have a 86 Ford Ranger. I picked this up for fairly cheap, and I thought it was a cool looking truck. So I figured, let's put some work into it, see if we can get it running and driving around. So that's another project that I got going on. So I'm gonna be bouncing back and forth between these two. So as you guys seen, there's the garage door that I was talking about. That's where I got everything in right now. It was very hard to get the Ranger in here because coming in straight, there's not a lot of room. So I had to pivot kind of using these hydraulic dollies that I picked up. But yeah, it was not easy to make that turn. But here is the garage from this view. If you come over here, you got my workbench. This is where I do most of my stuff, unboxing, putting stuff together, taking things apart. I got a couple other benches here that are just a mess right now, so I don't even deal with them. And then here's my toolbox. It's also a mess right now. I never closed any of the drawers, but yeah, this is my toolbox. You can see from some of my stickers, if you don't know, I am an electrician with the IBEW. Now, the cool thing about this garage is I have a bathroom right here. It's a small little bathroom, but it's nice because if I get my hands dirty or my clothes dirty, I don't need to go into the house to use a washroom. So it's nice to have that little convenience. Might as well give you guys a sneak peek. There's a toilet and a sink. It's nothing fancy, but it's mine. Okay, and now once you enter this area here, that's all storage, but around the corner is the office. That's where all the video editing happens and some of the video games that I play with my buddies. It's all in here, so let me show you the office. Here it is. I love this place. It's like my, my escape. So what we did here, this room was never like this before. I got the epoxy floors done. I built this computer not long ago. Got a couple monitors up on the screen. Got some cars for decoration here, and I got R34, R35, and then this is a 97 Prelude. And then in here is a very important drawer. I got a bunch of Hot Wheels that I've collected over the years, some cool ones that I like. And then over here is all the merch that is not selling as quickly as it should have been, but that's just because I haven't been as consistent as I want it to be. But don't worry guys, I got a lot of time now. We're gonna be putting out a lot of videos, a lot of progress. Like I said, we're gonna be bouncing back and forth from the Ranger to the Prelude, a little bit of stuff on the Jeep as well. And actually there's some stuff that I gotta do on the Tundra. So we'll be back and forth between a lot of stuff. Make sure if you guys are interested, hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, like the video, help me out as much as you can, give me as much motivation as you can right now, because in this time I really need it. I don't want to get into it too much. It's a little bit into my personal life, and I haven't been that open with you guys yet, but maybe one day I will be. But as of now, my main focus is my YouTube. I really want to take it to the next level. So if you guys can help me out in any way, share it with your friends, anything that you can do will be greatly appreciated. As you can see, I got some buddies who are very, very supportive. YouTube doesn't make this, okay? My buddies, Greg and Chris, made this for me when I hit 1,000 subs. So this is really, really cool. I was happy to put this on the wall there. But yeah, guys, short little video, nothing crazy, but it's something to start me off on a fresh slate, on a fresh, I don't know, ground zero. We're back to square one, and we're gonna be back at it in full force. Believe me, so stay tuned. We'll be having some videos on the Prelude very shortly. Thanks again for your support, everybody, and we'll see you next time. Oh, that's a lie, I almost forgot. We're giving away a shirt. All right, so I gotta go to the last video. All you guys commented.
Own 1 square foot of land in Scotland.
Okay, like I was saying, we gotta go to the last video that I posted. I told you guys if you comment on this video, you're automatically entered in the giveaway. So I'm not gonna show you all the boring stuff, but I'm gonna input everybody's name, put it into a random generator. I've done it before, you guys have seen, and I'll let you know in a second who wins. Okay, I said I wasn't gonna show you the boring stuff, but I'm just typing in everybody's names right now, and Gilbert Medina, I'm typing in your name again. You already won, so reach out to me on Instagram, Facebook, or something. I'm gonna comment on this video, try to give you a reminder as well. But you already won from like a few videos ago, and you haven't received it yet. So I'm entering you again anyway. But reach out to me, man. You got a shirt on your way. Just let me know what you want. All right, I just input everybody's names. You can see I'm scrolling here. There's a bunch of names. Took me a long time. A lot of these are my friends, so if I happen to choose one of my friends, they're not winning. Maybe I'll just give them a shirt anyways, but I'll do a re-roll. But I wish all the time that I got this many comments, because it seems that when I give stuff away for free, you guys, that's the only time that I get a lot of comments. So if you're already watching the video, just give me a comment anyways. It really, really helps the channel more than you know. And I can't afford to give away a shirt every single video. But anyways, let's pick the winner. All right, so from all the names here, I'm gonna pick a random name. And the winner is Midnighter 2001. Dude, this guy has been watching my videos for the longest time. And I think I've given you something before, but you actually deserve it, man. This guy is one of my day one subscribers. I really appreciate it. We're gonna pick another winner right now. How do I do this? Okay, pick a random name, click that. And the next winner is Scott Price. I recognize the name for sure, but both of you guys, please reach out to me. And message me on Instagram is probably the, both of you guys, Scott Price and Midnighter 2001, message me on Instagram is probably the best way to reach out to me, and then we'll get you guys set up. Congratulations, guys, and one more time I'm gonna try. Thank you guys again for watching. Thank you for the ongoing support, and we'll see you very, very soon.